Alright, what's up? Don't mind the different colors. We'll be changing the air filter today on my daughter's 2012 Scion IQ. This is just a STP filter, number SA10762, in case you're at the store looking to purchase one of these. Super simple to do, you don't need any tools. So the existing air filter is in here. This hose leads here to where the air filter housing is at. And there's two clips in here that we have to undo to get the air filter housing opened. Okay, so these are the two clips I'm talking about. You just basically pop it like this. There's one, and then we pop the other one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually push the housing back like this. And the air filter is here. You can actually lift it up if you want to completely open it. Then you reach in, and you can pull out the existing air filter, which is this here. And it's pretty nasty. This is the actual original factory one. You can tell because it's got this white edge on it. This is official Toyota one. We're going to be replacing with the STP, which is not the official factory one, but it's still good. So one thing I always want to do first is to make sure it's the right filter, right? This is the new filter. This is the old filter. They're pretty much the exact same thing. So we got the right one. So now we're ready to insert it. And we're going to insert it a certain way. It's going to go this way or this way, but it's going to show you, actually there's an arrow here, and it tells you which way the airflow is supposed to go, this way. So that's how we're inserting it into the filter housing. Okay, so we got a lot of space here. I'm gonna take the new one, slide it right in. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. Make sure it's fully seated flat all the way down. Now on the back, it's kind of probably hard to see down there, but way back there's gonna be like some prongs like this. The housing has prongs also. We're going to line them up, seat them, and then we're going to close that like this. And we'll know because these two edges are supposed to be lined up. There we go. Seated. Now we can close it. And then we'll push these clips shut. You push them here. There's one. And then here. There we go. So, alright, that was pretty much it. Thank you for watching.